we are going to slice them into like cute little Instagrammable slices.
Not be so easy for you after all.
Forward Sie! Springen Sie! Los! Los! Voran! Voran!
How many was that? Just kidding.
Throw the ring in, Frodo! This could all be over!
How many cups of sugar is going into all of this jam?
So many.
When you pour it, something happens on that spoon. What it...
Okay, so you pour it, and then the last couple of drops, you see how it's not just a single drop, it had sort of like
Oh, it's like moving
bit of
around
a-
on the spoon? Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We're all really scared right now.
Oh my god, you're filming this! People know how the jam's made, maybe they won't want to eat it. This is my worst hair day in a while. You don't have jar tongs. You're not living on the edge, you're taking up too much space, right? That's the sound. You want to hear that? That's the vacuum. The vacuum seal, that pop.